Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Kia remote key fob. What we need to do is remove this blade here and then split the case into two to access the battery. So first off we press this little button here which releases a clip so we can remove the emergency key fob blade out of the top. Now, there is a point just here where you can get your screwdriver in, your flat-headed screwdriver, into that slot there and twist it and it will crack the case open. Just like that. And there is your key fob battery. You just need to remove it from its housing, like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We get our new key fob battery and we pop it back into the housing. We're making sure that the writing is facing downwards, like that, so we know it's in its correct location. And we just simply pop the case back together. Make sure it all lines up. Click it in place. And then pop the blade back in. And there you go. It's all done.